Hi, this is Dr. Robert Stein with the Body Mechanics series. Today you get me in regular clothes. Going to do a couple videos here on some chiropractic basic needs that people don't really understand. Today we're going to talk about cracking your own neck and cracking your own knuckles. I call my patients crack addicts. So if you're a crack addict, this is the ramifications of what happens when you do crack your own neck or crack your back or crack your knuckles. Every time a bone cracks or makes a noise, your brain releases a chemical called endorphins. Endorphins is like a natural high. It's like a natural buzz. So every time you do a little crack on yourself, crack your neck or twist your body or crack your knuckles, what you're actually doing is releasing a chemical from the brain that feels good. It's always going to feel good. But what you're actually really doing is you're stretching the joint out by stretching the ligaments that stabilize the joint in the neck or the knuckles. That's why you see older people with the big knuckles. If you're a crack addict and you're cracking your hands, you will be getting big knuckles when you're older. You will give the rheumatologist a lot of work when you're older. If you're cracking your neck on a constant basis or cracking your back, you'll definitely become a patient of mine or another chiropractor. You are totally weakening the neck, weakening the joint, causing your body to go further forward, causing degenerative arthritis, putting strains on the disc, everything that's a negative thing for the spine. So if you're a crack addict, the best way to do something to fix that is, number one, get yourself fixed so everything's in the right position, and then you stop cracking. If you have to go to Crack Addicts Anonymous, go find a place for Crack Addicts Anonymous, and that will work for you. Any questions on it, check my website. Please like and share our website and our YouTube page. Thanks a lot, Dr. Stein, the Body Mechanic out.